Are you in search of the ideal new residence in London? Fulham Palace Studios might just be the perfect place for you. This student accommodation in London offers a diverse range of studios, tailored to suit the needs of every student. With plush beds strategically placed near large windows, you're bound to wake up with the gentle caress of the sun's rays on your face. Plus, the study desk comes complete with a shelving unit, providing ample space to organize your books and school supplies. After a refreshing shower in the private bathroom, select your outfit for the day from the capacious closet. And before heading out, you can whip up a quick omelette on the cooktop or reheat leftovers in the microwave. Situated near prestigious universities such as the London Academy of Music and Dramatic Arts and BIMM London, staying here means you'll never be late for any of the morning lectures. Additionally, popular spots like Furnival Gardens and Kyoto Gardens are perfect places for quiet walks or fun picnics with friends. For weekly grocery runs, you can visit Little Waitrose and Partners, and on days when you do not feel like cooking, Mezza and Grill is the place for you. Secure your perfect home at Fulham Palace by booking with us at amberstudent.com and unlock the door to your new life.